Hi, my name is Jason Champion. People ask me who I am. I would say that I am a web developer by day and a musician by night. I like to create everything from start to finish. I can write the song, produce the song, and also develop the places where the music lives. I'm the lead singer and guitarist for Zero Buffalo. I'm also a web developer, and we're here in Denton, Texas. To me, the name Zero Buffalo means consequence. It is a reminder of what our society can become. It's about a time in our history when the American bison were nearly wiped out and eradicated. And I feel that today we're still doing some of that. I would say one thing that makes it unique is I've always had a fondness for the acoustic sound, but also the electric. I combine both elements. It adds a kind of a sound that's unique in my opinion. The Zero Buffalo Band is a mix of personalities. My bass player Warren is pretty mellow, my drummer Ricky.
She's pretty upbeat.
And I'm probably somewhere in between. The role that the website plays for Zero Buffalo is that it's our central hub. Social media is kind of a storm, and it's pretty much our lighthouse. When someone lands on our site, I don't want it to feel cluttered, corporate, anything like that. I want it to flow nicely. I want it to be easy to navigate, accessible, responsive, and just all around a great experience. The way I had it set up before, it wasn't working because I had too many limitations with the platform that I was using, and I ended up having to go back and writing the code from ground up. I needed a more streamlined experience. So the first time I sat down with Remixer, I was a little surprised because it felt more like a collaboration than just some sort of coding project. And before I knew it, I had a whole site built. A moment that surprised me with Remixer was when I created a persistent music player at the top of the site that pulled in my Bandcamp audio. It was really smooth. You know, it felt native, not bolted on. It didn't feel like some third-party plugin. If I had built this by hand, it would have taken weeks, probably even months, depending on how much time I had outside. With Remixer, I was able to accomplish it in a few hours. So one of the biggest things that DreamHost gives me is confidence. I know the site is stable, fast, and supported. I'm definitely satisfied with Remixer. It allowed me to create the site that I wanted without fighting the tools. I definitely recommend it for someone who wants control with or without the complexity you need. Stay focused on the mission instead of tedious tasks.
The way to your inner